It's okay. Making money online, it is very simple and clear. Yes, it's just a matter of you feeling it, having passion of doing it, and you proceed. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching how to make money online in affiliate marketing with digital products. Yes. Don't worry, just comment, subscribe, keep watching. I'm going to give you a bonus trick at the end of the video. In the middle of the video, I'm going to show you how you can double the income with one link. Yes, and the first website we're going to be using is Payhip. Payhip.com. It is the press. It's a website where you can go and sell you digital downloads. Wonderful. Yes, as you are reading it right now, that's what the website does. Okay, you can sell a lot of things here, guys. You can sell a lot of things here. It's just a matter of you coming here and log in. Yeah, yes, payhip.com. On Google say payhip.com and come and create yourself a free account. You can sell digital products, membership, and even VAT for all the world. It is worldwide. People are giving review. People are giving review on this website, which means that it's legit. And then you can come here and open up yourself a account free of charge. We are going to be basing on products for this case. Products, okay? Because we're going to be selling here our digital product. We're going to upload here our digital product. And then boom, 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 we make money. If you're liking the video, please comment down. Let me know that you're liking the video. The another website is going to use is called Digistore24. Digistore24, it is where all the products are best. It is worldwide. You can make money with Digistore24 or regardless of the country you're coming from. Okay, so you come here on Digital24 and then you come here on Marketplace. You see all the niches according to your niche, but for the best of today's video, we're going to be using healthy and fitness niche, and the product we're going to promote is called Metcore, a very good product. It's the first one on page on Marketplace when you come on Digistore24. Okay, if you come here on affiliate page of Digistore24 on Metcore, you see they have done for us each and everything we need to sell their product. Okay, we are selling these products, these tablets for weight loss, and they're in 3 packages. Okay, so you select the link and then we go on the other side. I'm going to give you a bonus tip. I'm about to tell you how to double your affiliate money. Hey, don't go away. Okay, so you have to copy this link and paste it on somewhere. Make sure you have somewhere where you can copy and paste your link for the best way of going with your link. Okay, yes, so we're going to be earning a lot of money. This product is giving us 85%. We go here on a third website called idpr.com, where we get free product, free digital product, free ebook, free PDFs, free video, free. Okay, so you come here and you look for the free product of your niche. We selected healthy and fitness niche, so we have to look for a ebook of that niche, of that category. Daily backups with one click, always affordable price. Try for free. Download to your computer, to your telephone. It's okay. It's very okay. Okay, so we're going to use this PDF. We have downloaded it, our computer, our phone. We have a right to use it. Like, you can open it. You have to go on smallpdf.com and you upload that ebook there. And this is the bonus on smallpdf pl.com. You upload this ebook we got from pl.com, and then you edit it. After editing it, you insert there your link from Digistore24. Okay? Hey, you joking? We're going to make money. This year is our year. Smallpdf.com. We bring our ebook from the other free website. We got our ebook, and then you come here and upload it here. Weight loss and you PDF. Okay, PDF. You see, we are converting it from PDF to Word content. Because the PDF cannot be opened by any file, so Word content can be read by anyone of which device you're using. It doesn't matter. So after you insert there, you link inside the PDF, the Word. You have to go through like this and see where the link suits better. So I'm going to show you how you can easily add your link. I advise you add in like 3 affiliate links. You can get like 3 different products. Meticoa. There is another one I like, Cinderella. This one over. There are many. You can take like 2 or 3 links and you add them in one ebook, because the source of traffic is very massive. Okay, like you can see here, you have to highlight, and then you insert your link. This is very good. It is easy to make. Highlight, and then you say insert a link. These have all the icons to help you, because it is turning it into a Word content, from PDF to a Word. Okay, so you have copied your link to a somewhere, and then you have to go there and copy your link, and you bring it, you paste it. If you didn't copy and paste it somewhere, come back to Digistore24 and recopy this link. And you can take it to Brittle and shorten it if you have time. But for this case, I'm not going to do that because there is no time for that. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay? All right. So you can look for another place. Yes, we go. I love you guys. Okay? You can, like here, you have to highlight. And you repaste the link. We got it from PDF, from Digistore24, and we are inserting it in a PDF. We got that PDF from PRL.com. That's why we got the PDF. We brought it to smallpdf.com. We uploaded it there, and then we insert there our links. The links, we got them from where? Digistore24.com. And after doing all that, we're going to do what? We bring it to payhip.com and we upload it. You see? Are you understanding the content? And here you can upload as many as you can PDFs, digital products. It's not necessary to be a PDF. No. Okay? It may be a PDF, it may be ebook, it may be a gig, it may be a video. You can upload each and everything so long as it's a digital product. And then you have to figure out the price. I would recommend cheap money. Don't put a lot of money. This PDF is free of charge. Why should you sell it expensively? Okay? For us, we are considering the other money in the link. So you can put there the title, weight loss and you, and then you can go back to the PDF, to the ebook, and check the information, how it was written. You can copy and paste from the PDF, from the ebook to here on payhip.com. Okay? Are you understanding the content? Are you going to make money? Are you willing to put this into action? Wonderful. Thank you. We go on. After uploading our ebook, putting there the price, and then you have to give a description. Go back to the ebook and check very those good catchy words from the our ebook. Okay, you can copy the real ones on top of the book and you take them there. It's okay, it's very fine. You can play around. I know you guys, you good at marketing, you know how to do this very well. And in the description you can add there the link, our link, Metcoa. Okay, that's the bonus. You guys subscribe, do me a favor, subscribe please. Thank you. So this is the link. Yeah, after doing all that uploading, that's the link we're going to be promoting. We're going to be promoting the link from payhip.com, but inside the ebook we have inserted there our links, the three of them moreover. Oh god. Hey, you're not getting the point, I think. All right. So we are going to be selling this ebook. We're going to be promoting this ebook. And the ebook, if people download it from payhip.com, we're going to get money. The site, thank you for watching till this end. The site is called hackless.com. Come to hackless.com and log in, register for free, and advertise. Make sure you advertise here, it's free of charge. You come to Mailer and submit your ad free of charge to you're not getting me. You guys subscribe to this channel, you're going to get a lot of content of this kind. Okay, I'm going to be giving you bonus tips. So Hackless, you can email as many people as you can. Go to Mailer and put there your email according to how you know to phrase words. You can submit your ad. You have to register it for free, and then after opening up account you start immediately. They give you $10 welcome bonus. After registering in, they will give you $10 for free. Okay, and they have three ways of submitting your ads. It's free of charge and it is legit, it is genuine, and it's okay. It's the very good source of traffic. You can use it in any of your business. It is very good. Okay, if you don't know how to write emails, if you want emails, please make sure you check on my email address and make sure you tell me I want email swaps. I will send you a lot of them because I have them, and I'm going to leave all the links in the comment section. I'm going to pin them there for you to help you for the easy use of your business. I want you to make money, and if you're willing to put these things into action, please comment down, let me know that you're going to put this into action. Remember, this website is free of charge. Everything here is copyright free. Never get scared of using them. And after you come here to small PDF and you convert the PDF into words, you insert there your links from Digital24 and then you upload the PDF to payhip.com. Okay? After that, you promote the link from payhip.com to a different website, to Instagram, TikTok, wherever in your bio. Okay, and then you wait for the money. This one, they're going to be paying you $122 per sale. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Wow.